From Photo Unblur to Face Unlock, the new Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro have a lot of new capabilities, but some need to be enabled or found first. Here are 7 features you should enable right away. Photo Unblur is a new feature this year for the Pixel 7, which is designed to make blurry photos look sharper and crisper. And it's pretty easy to try. First, open the blurry photo. Select the Edit button along the bottom bar, then slide over to the Tools option. Now, select Unblur, and your Pixel 7 will do the work. You can even select how strong you want the Unblur effect to be from 0 to 100. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro offer a much improved fingerprint sensor, but some may prefer to unlock using Face Unlock. It's fast and simple. Just keep in mind it's only for unlocking the phone and isn't secure enough for things like Google Pay. First, head to Settings, then tap Security, then select Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Enter your PIN, then tap Face Unlock to set up your profile. Now you'll hit Face Unlock, tap More and agree to the terms, then hit Start. From there, you'll just need to keep your face centered in the circle and tilt your head up and down. Active Stabilization is Google's answer to the iPhone 14's Action Mode. It's effectively video stabilization on steroids, allowing you to get much smoother videos while you or the subject are in motion. To use this feature, open the camera app, then slide over to Video. Tap the little shaky hand icon to the right of the video mode selector. In the menu that appears, select Active, and you'll be good to go. Did you know that when you query Google Assistant, you don't have to keep saying, "Hey Google," every time to continue the queries? This isn't a Pixel 7 exclusive, but it's a neat feature to enable. Just go to Settings, Apps, Assistant, then tap the toggle for continued conversation, and talk to your robot like it's a real person. Tired of your phone's display searing your eyes at night? The Pixel 7 can go extra dim for you, which can be especially handy if you have someone sleeping next to you. Head to Settings, Accessibility, and under the Display section, you can either tap on the extra dim toggle right there, or select the option to see more info. This includes setting up an extra dim shortcut. Android 13 introduces locked folders to Google Photos, allowing you to store sensitive pictures away from prying eyes. And you can even save photos to a locked folder as you shoot. But first, you need to set up a locked folder. Go to the Google Photos app, then Library, Utilities, and Locked Folder. Now, the next time you want to save a photo directly to the locked folder in the camera app, just long press on the circle showing the last photo you took and select Locked Folder from the pop-up menu. We hope you never have to use it, but your Pixel 7 can detect if you've been in a car crash and call emergency services and your emergency contacts. To turn it on, go to Settings, Safety and Emergency, Car Crash Detection. Be sure to check out our full Pixel 7 review and Pixel 7 Pro review if you want to learn all about these phones, and follow us at Tom's Guide on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. For Tom's Guide, this is Mark Spoonhour.